Hi, it's Paul with OurChurch.com. Welcome to Church Website Hosting Frequently Asked Questions. Troy in Toronto, Ontario, Canada asks, is it good to get all website services from one company? Well, as you probably know, there are many services related to websites. There's the hosting, there's the website builder or web design, there's website maintenance and updates, there's domain registration, email hosting, search engine optimization, graphic and logo design, and more. You could get all of these services from different companies, but there are 4 main benefits to getting them all from the same company. The first is better pricing. Companies will often bundle services together, giving a better price than if you had purchased each service separately. Second, simpler billing. It's much easier to pay one bill each month or each year than 3 to 7 different companies each month or year. Better support. If there's a problem with your website, initially you may not know if the issue is with your domain name, your web hosting, or the website itself. But if all of those services are provided by one company, you just call one number and they can figure out where the issue is and get it resolved for you. And fourth, stronger relationships. If you are contacting one company for all of your questions and all of your service needs, you're going to get to know them better and they're going to get to know you better. And this is one of the blessings that we have at OurChurch.com. We often get to know our clients personally and even pray for them sometimes over the phone. Well, OurChurch.com, we provide all of the services mentioned earlier, and we would love to provide you with better pricing, simpler billing, better support, and stronger relationships by providing all of the website services that you and your organization need. If you're looking for church website hosting that's easy to use, reliable, and supported by a team that shares your faith, getting started with OurChurch.com's church website hosting is simple. Just go to OurChurch.com, select your hosting package, and complete your order. We have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's absolutely no risk to get started.